Honor's next flagship phone is reportedly working on the side of Android that it isn't particularly known for, video. According to a new leak from Tipster, factory manager is Guan. The upcoming Honor Magic 9 series will come with an ARRI co-branded imaging system. For those unaware, ARRI is the world's leading designer of professional motion picture cameras, lenses, lighting systems, and post-production equipment. Founded in 1917 and based in Germany, the company's gear shows up in films, documentaries, and high-end productions. And FYI, this partnership didn't come out of nowhere. At the 2026 Mobile World Congress, Honor and ARRI officially announced a strategic collaboration to bring ARRI image science into next-generation consumer devices. According to the tipster, the Magic 9 series will offer exceptional video capabilities. It won't be quite at the level of Honor's experimental robot phone, but potentially enough to challenge the long-standing perception that Android phones lag in video recording. The tipster also says that if a phone can handle video well, still photography tends to follow. The suggestion is that the Magic 9 series could deliver a more complete imaging upgrade. Honor CEO Li Jian previously hinted that this new imaging system could surpass Apple's current camera performance. Beyond cameras, the Magic 9 series is also expected to debut with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, built on a 2nm process from TSMC. Last but not least, the tipster suggests the Honor Magic 9 series will launch in October. That's right after the expected announcement of the iPhone 18 series. For now, it's still a leak. But if even part of it holds up, the Magic 9 series could end up being less about specs and more about changing how Android phones are judged, particularly when it comes to video.